So with this we closes the chapter of different usable component. These are kind of most important or kind of most commonly used controls which you might need to generate your website, but of course there are other small controls components available. For example, progress bars and these kind of things are also available, but these are the pre-built and by default available in the Bootstrap. But since it's a very commonly used and open source framework, there are a lot of plugins, extensions and add-ons available, and we will see some of them. For example, Bootstrap have a lot of jQuery based component, and then there are other some resources. For example, Bootstrap resources provide you a kind of lot of components. Fuel UX, if you try to search for Fuel UX and Bootstrap plugin, you will be able to find a lot of plugins for the Bootstrap. For example, using jQuery Bootstrap 4 plugin, these are very kind of top plugins that you can see. For example, multi-select drop down menu which allow you to filter also, so form validation, so weak picker. So normally you can have a date picker, but there is a weak picker available developed by someone. Multi-level Bootstrap drop down menus, file picker. So there are different plugins available created by different developers, open source plugins available that you can use in your project. So for example, from Bootstrap, these are different kind of plugin. There are plugins which allow you to kind of animations available. So these are some plugins available from Fuel UX. So these are kind of top sites which I found where you can start to see for the plugins. For example, this repeater plugin is a very good one which allow you to show a kind of tabular data in a very good way, which allow you to filter, show different in a pagination, these kind of things. And there are different additional resources available to you to search for the plugins when you are going to develop your project. And then similar to the plugins which have different component, there are wide variety of templates available which you can use to start your website. For example, using templates, of course you already have a built website available to you, then you need to customize it, so it saves you a lot of time. So with kind of templates, you have kind of lot of structure is already there. For example, let's say you have a template for blog posts, so it has been designed based on a kind of good user experience or usability aspect. So using this template can be a good thing to increase the progress of your work very fast. But of course there is a drawback that if you don't customize it a lot, then maybe a lot of website will look similar and kind of gives the feeling that it is not a kind of original work developed by one. So depending upon your requirement, you can use templates to start your project and then build upon it. And there are a lot of free templates available for Bootstrap. Some of them are available, for example, Start Bootstrap, Bootstrap themes, and a lot of available that you can use to start building your website.